Hello kitchen enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the world of amazing kitchen gadgets that you can find on Amazon. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just love spending time in the kitchen, these tools are sure to make your cooking experience a breeze. So let's get started! First up, we have a fantastic mixing bowl set with airtight lids and 3 grater attachments. These airtight lids are a game changer when it comes to storing ingredients and leftovers. The 3.5 QT bowl even has a removable lid inside the main lid, making it easy to add contents or pair it with your blender without creating a mess. But that's not all. This set comes with 3 grater attachments for slicing, grating, and shredding. Imagine preparing salads with the convenience of shredding or slicing directly into the bowl. Plus, the non-slip silicone bottoms keep the bowls in place, preventing any accidental spills on your countertops. And the best part? These bowls are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The premium stainless steel construction ensures durability, making this set a long-lasting addition to your kitchen arsenal. Next on our list is a must-have for kitchen, the silicone faucet water catcher. Say goodbye to wet fabric mat and hello to a soft, reliable, and reusable solution. This silicone water catcher not only keeps your countertop dry, but also serves as a sponge holder, dish soap tray, and a dish drying mat. With an upgraded design for efficient water drainage, this gadget is perfect for any kitchen sink. It fits faucets with a diameter of less than 2.36 inches, ensuring a snug fit. The size upgrade allows you to organize more kitchen supplies, making your sink cleaner and more efficient. Now let's talk about a kitchen essential, the bamboo cutting board set. This set of 3 boards and sizes offers versatility for all your cutting, meal preparation, and serving needs. The built-in carrying handles make it easy to transfer ingredients from the kitchen to the stove, and the thoughtful grips prevent accidental slips. These cutting boards are not only gentle on your knife blades, but also feature a special resin lacquer top coat for protection against scarring, scratching, and staining. With deep juice grooves to catch liquid runoff, cleanup is a breeze and transferring ingredients is seamless. Time to make your kitchen experience hands-free with the Kitchen Mama Automatic Can Opener. Powered by 4 AA batteries, this gadget smoothly opens cans with the press of a button. The clean cut leaves smooth edges, and it's a perfect blend of elegance and practicality. Ideal for those with challenges gripping or for busy individuals looking to save time. This electric can opener is a thoughtful gift, especially during the holiday season. And the best part? It leaves no sharp cuts, ensuring safety in the kitchen. Let's talk precision in the kitchen with the Panacea Wireless Meat Thermometer. With advanced Bluetooth technology, monitor your food temperature up to 800 feet away. Set custom alerts and notifications, ensuring your cooking is on point. This thermometer is perfect for barbecues, picnics, and backyard parties. It supports a wide range of temperatures and comes with a host display screen, eliminating the need for a separate app. Plus, the rechargeable battery ensures you're always ready for your next cooking adventure. Say goodbye to tedious chopping with the Vakaya Vegetable Slicer. Made from top-quality stainless steel, this slicer offers a range of cutting options without the need to touch the blade. With adjustable settings, you can slice anything from paper thin to 9mm thick, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. This slicer also prioritizes safety, featuring a protective cover for the blades and a safe hand holder. It's not just a time saver, but also a perfect gift for anyone who loves to cook at home. Introducing a multitasking marvel. The lid stand for all sizes and shapes. Whether you need a lid stand, trivet or pan holder, this gadget has you covered. Its cast metal frame holds lids and dishes up to 10 lbs, making it suitable for various kitchen needs. The collapsible form ensures easy storage, and the modern design with heat-resistant silicone fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor. It's not just a functional tool, but also a unique Christmas or holiday gift for kitchen lovers. Let's turn up the heat in the kitchen with the Ninja Sizzle Smokeless Indoor Grill. With a max heat of 500 degree F, you can achieve perfect grilling and searing right from your kitchen. The edge-to-edge cooking ensures even heating for perfectly cooked dishes every time. The removable grill and grill plate are non-stick and easy to clean, while the perforated mesh lid eliminates smoke and reduces splatter. This grill is a game changer for those who love the char-grilled flavor without the hassle of outdoor grilling. For our viewers with little one, we have the Just It Toddler Standing Tower, a 4-in-1 versatile design that can switch between a toddler kitchen stool, high chair, kid slide, and Montessori activities. It's perfect for toddlers aged 18 months and above, offering a safe and stable platform for exploration. Designed with safety in mind, this tower has a broad base, solid boards, and a safety guardrail. With adjustable heights and multiple uses, it grows with your child, making it a fantastic growth gift. Easy to install and backed by a 1-year warranty. It's a win-win for both parents and toddlers. Maintaining the sharpness of your knives is crucial, and the tumbler rolling knife sharpener is here to make it easy. With a diamond-plated sharpening disc, it keeps your knives cutting like new for much longer. The 15 and 20 degree angle sharpening ensures uniform angles for a precise edge. Powered by diamonds, this sharpener effortlessly removes the first layer of your knife's edge, while the stainless steel helix disc on the other end removes the burr. It's simple, effective, and a must-have for anyone serious about their kitchen tools.